Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, today we're going to do a grocery haul. Always have glare in my glasses. We're going to do a grocery haul. I had $50 for my grocery budget this week, and then I added in $20 from the hair budget because I actually ended up doing Alana's hair. She didn't actually end up going to the lady who does it because she sweats it out so bad. And when she does Taekwondo, she sweats her hair out real bad. So I braided it and put some beads in. I'll insert a picture somewhere over here so you guys can see what it looks like. So I saved myself some money doing it myself. Still would have loved to pay it. Yes, indeed. But I actually was able to take $20 from that money and put it towards the groceries. And then I think I had a couple random dollars in my purse and added that. So I'm going to share with you what I was able to get. We are still doing Whole30 in our house, and it is working out really good for us. It's working out really good for me. I'm wearing a skirt today, and I feel like the skirt is going to fall down. The pants I had on yesterday, I feel like they were ready to fall down. I'm probably officially out of 16s, definitely into 14s, not a 12 yet, but definitely 14s. And I'm back in the gym. So all the things, I'm trying to stick with the one ingredient foods, or as close as I can get to the one ingredient foods, just because I feel that's working for my body. I did watch Sarah's grocery haul the other day, and she mentioned they have not been doing as many one ingredient foods, but you know, she's pregnant, and she just needs to do what she needs to do during her pregnancy time. And I hear you, sister, do all the things. So I do want to share with you guys kind of where I am and what we got this week for groceries. We will do a separate stock up haul and show you our pantry. We're actually going to be working in the kitchen pantry today, rearranging some stuff. Y'all, my lipstick is all gone from the day. Apologies that I look real crazy, but sorry. So it will show you the pantry, we'll show you the outside pantry, and I'm going to rearrange some stuff in the inside pantry today, and give you a mini kind of like meal plan. And then I want to talk to you guys about something very serious, and prayerfully you all will be able to jump right in and give some assistance. And I am asking for your help this time. So let's do the grocery haul. I'll give you a little meal plan, then I'll jump in with my chit chat. Alrighty, you guys, so here is our grocery haul. So remember, I had $50 planned for the week, and then I took $20 out of the hair money, so that was $70. I think I ended up having like $71 or something of that nature. And so here's what I was able to get. We got these never any sausages. We love these chicken sausages. We like the tomato basil. Yeah, that's what this one is. And this one was a mild Italian, so we thought we'd give that a try. Last time we got the apple. I really like the apple so much, but I do love the tomato basil. They were $2.69 each. Then we got the never any uncured hickory smoked bacon. That was $4.99. Expensive. The thick cut was $6.99. I'm like, my God, from Zion. Then we got the breakfast sausage. They were $2.99. And then I got these grape tomatoes. They were $1.45 each. We got 2 of those. We roast those every week. We do the same thing every single week. It works out perfect for us. Picked up 2 things of the coconut milk. They were $1.82. We substitute this in for cream, like when I do mashed potatoes. This works in really well to help just give it a little creamy consistency. Sweet potatoes, $2.49 a bag. Bananas, I'm not sure how much these were a pound, but they're really green, so I'm waiting for those to ripen. I may have to go to Food Line and get a few that are already ripe. Picked up some carrots. That's 2 pounds of carrots. They were like $1.19, somewhere in there. Spinach was about $1.19. Gala apples were $2.59, and then the yellow gold potatoes were $4.29. Then I picked up the almonds unsalted for $4.59. I do like the unsalted almonds best. Then I picked up raisins, 99 cents. I picked up 2 of those. Strawberries were $1.89. Now, I'm really leery about these strawberries since the last time they were a little rough. So we're going to try to eat these immediately. Mandarins were $2.59 for a big bag, 3 pounds. Then I got these for Jackson. Strawberry applesauce and then unsweetened applesauce, $1.19 each. And then these fruit and 100% juice, that is peaches. I got him oranges, tropical fruit, and diced pears. They were also $1.19 a piece. He tends to like to snack throughout the day, and he works out, like lifting weights and stuff. So I just was getting him a few little things there. Grapes. Okay, Alana said, Mom, why do the grapes look like this? This is all that was in this bag. And these grapes were 95 cents a pound. This all, I mean, every week it gets less and less amounts in there. So that's why I picked up 2. 95 cents each. Then I got these potatoes. These are like the petite potatoes, $2.99 for this bag. I got the chicken bone broth and the beef bone broth. Those were $2.65. A little bit on the pricey side, but the ingredients were good. So I picked those up. 2 things of 100% apple juice, 95 cents each. Almond milk, I think, was $1.89. And then I picked up garlic powder for 95 cents. So that is what I was able to get with my $70+ grocery budget. I actually also picked up a spaghetti squash. That's what I picked up. So, quick meal plan. We probably can put the spaghetti squash with one of these. And we do have marinara sauce in the outside garage pantry. So that would be a meal. We could also do mashed potatoes with a meat. I know we have some blade steak for tonight. So I think maybe blade steak, mashed potatoes. I'll put some spinach in there. So that'll be a meal. Or we did smashed potatoes with these last time. We put them in the Instant Pot, boiled them, smashed them. We seasoned them up real good. And then we put them in the oven for like an hour-ish. Flipped them over midway. And they were nice and crispy on the outside and soft and chewy on the inside. So this with a meat. I think I have some pork chops. So I could do apples and pork chops. I'm not real sure. I have to check. I do know we have some ham. We could also do breakfast for dinner one night. We've got sausage and bacon, or we can make that 2 separate meals. We could use some of these tomatoes for a quiche. We could do tomatoes and spinach and sausage and have a quiche that way. I think I have some diced ham from a ham we had from a friend of mine brought over a ham. So I think we got a couple meals. We can probably also do a soup if we need to of some kind. Let me check my freezer. All right, looking in the freezer, I have cauliflower, broccoli. We've got some fish. We have chicken thighs, so we can do chicken thighs. I have 2 whole chickens in here, so that could be a Sunday meal. 2 whole chickens, or we can do 1 whole chicken this week and 1 for next Sunday. This is chicken thighs as well. So I've got chicken. I can definitely do chicken, fish, or a whole chicken if I want to. So there's some food in here, but we are starting to move down in our freezer. This used to be right up to the top. That's okay. We're going to just use up what we have. I know there are bags and bags of chicken thighs down there that we got from, we ordered them, and a friend of ours freezer, she sealed them. I can't think of what I'm trying to say. She sealed them for us. So I know I have chicken thighs down there. So plenty of chicken meals that can be made. Alrighty, you guys. So there it is. Just a really quick grocery haul. Quick little meal plan. I usually play meals by ear. I really don't plan it out too much because I like spontaneity in my kitchen. It's the only place I like it. Is in the kitchen. Like I'm like, what should I make today? And I'll see what I have and really like whip up something. One of the things with Whole30 that I am noticing is we have less condiments in the fridge. We don't normally have a lot of leftovers because I'll take something for lunch or the kids will have for lunch. So we're using up all of the things. And even though we are having carbs or sugars through fruit and potatoes, we still seem to be losing weight. I am. I'm not going to say about Alana because I'm talking about me. And I try to maintain my portion sizes. I try to fast if I'm able to. I've been fasting. Well, I fasted last night. Sometimes I'm just not hungry and don't want to eat. But last night I purposefully was fasting for a situation that I'm going through. Everything is good, no problem. But I'm just fasting. And I needed to pray and spend some time with the Lord. So that helped me. It was really good. But what I wanted to talk to you guys about, I recently found out that a friend of mine, she is here on YouTube, and her name is Tangi from Freedom Homestead. You guys know Tangi, most of you do. They had some flooding out in Kentucky where she lives, and they had so much rain in her area that the rain caused one of the walls in their garage, in their basement, to blow out, and their house collapsed on the side where that basement wall blew itself out. The family is fine. Tangi and Jackie and Emily and Parker, everybody is fine. The dogs are fine. They have a place to stay. She gave an update. So if you follow her, go to Facebook. She does have some updates there. And it's also on my One Mom page. If you don't follow her, but follow me. So what I want to ask you guys to do is, if you are so inclined, felt led, or what have you, to consider a financial gift for Tangi and her family. Now, let me be very clear. I'm not asking anybody to do anything that I would not do. I moved some money out of my emergency fund because I didn't have it in my regular fund, and sent it by PayPal. So what I will do is put the PayPal link in the description box below this video, as well as I think they have a GoFundMe page. I'll put that as well. I'd prefer it go directly to their PayPal, because sometimes I'm not real sure how GoFundMe works and all that. So I try to just do stuff I know that works. And she also has a Venmo thing, and I'll put that as well if anybody is so inclined. Or if you were going to bless us with a grocery gift card or something of that nature, if you would consider diverting those funds to that family. And the reason I say that is because, when you go through something like that, your mind is, what do we do? Where do we go? How do we fix it? Yes, they have insurance. Yes, they're working with the insurance company, but she was not even sure if the insurance would cover it. The structural engineer was coming out to see what the issue was with the house and all of that. Who needs to be dealing with that portion of it at the moment? Sometimes you just need ready resources right now. So I'm asking you, if the Lord was laying it on your heart to bless us with something, would you please consider diverting those funds to Tangi and Jackie and their family? Because the pictures of their house is just like, oh my word, what in the world? I know I would be totally just frazzled if that would happen to me. I'm very thankful that she has, her husband there and their family and all that. Her sister-in-law set up the GoFundMe page, and different YouTubers are, putting it out there. I put it on my One Mom page because I didn't know one of you guys sent it to me, and then I checked on Instagram and Truly, and then today Tangi uploaded on Facebook, and I texted her. We are text friends. We actually talk to each other. The kids and I are planning to go to Kentucky at some point to see them, and she is extending hospitality. She's like, Shakima, when y'all come to Kentucky, y'all can stay right here in my house. We are friends like that. And so what I want to ask my people, and I don't ask you to send me things, but if the Lord was laying it on your heart to bless us, I'm asking you to divert those funds to Tangi and Jackie Wee, to show them a little bit of love. My kids and I are fine. If we don't have everything we need, we know how to tighten up the belt. We know how to stretch a meal out. Trust me, my grandmother showed me how to do that. So we are okay. We have all that we need. But I don't want them to worry about meals and that type of thing. She's displaced. She works from home doing her thing, so she's displaced. And of course, Parker is still in homeschool, and Jackie has to work, and I'm sure he's having to take off to deal with this. So just a lot of logistics, and financials should not be one of those at the moment. They may be very well off. I don't know, but that is not important. The importance is that we help where we are able to help. Again, I've already sent something, and she texts me back. She's like, Shakima, oh my word, don't worry about that. We're good. It's all, like I said, I didn't have it in my regular fund. I just took it out of my emergency fund. This is an emergency. It's not my emergency, but it is somebody else's, and God will bless us. Few days before Mother's Day, and you're supposed to be celebrating all the things, and here you are. Here they are as a family, facing this. She said, I think they would be displaced from their home between 3 to 6 months. That's a lot of time. That's a lot of time to be out of your space, figuring out all the logistics and the details. But we do know that all things work together for the good of them who love the Lord. And so they do love the Lord, and God's going to see them through. But anyway, we can help. So if, like I said, you're inclined, I'll have links down in the description box below, and I have already given. I would not ask anybody to do anything I wouldn't do. So I have already taken care of that, and sent what the kids and I were able to send. It was a sacrifice for us, because my my 3 to 6 months fund wasn't large to begin with, but it is perfectly fine. The Lord is in his holy temple, and he's going to do all the things. So anywho, you guys, there it is. Just wanted to ask you guys, put it out there and say, hey, if you feel some type of way, or if you didn't know, and if you don't have any funds to send, prayers are always helpful. Prayers are helpful even if you do have funds to send. Pray over their family. Pray that the Lord will come through. Pray that they would have everything they need. She said they were able to get a few things out of the house, but there are some things that they still need, clothing, and they have all their, they have some stuff, but they don't have all their things. And the first responders don't want them to go back into the house. So that was her update. I'm just giving you some of the things that she put on her update on Facebook. So if you follow them, go over and read about it. And if you are able, to help do something. One of the things I posted this on Facebook, I said, sometimes what I'm going through pales in comparison to what other people are going through. We think we're going through something really hard, but when your house collapses, my little spat I had with so-and-so or whomever is not even a thing. It's just not even a thing. And like I said, I have a few little things going on here, but it's so minute in comparison to that. And we want to be a blessing from this community. So anywho, there it is, you guys. Grocery haul, mini meal plan, and a little update chit chat about my friends over at Freedom Homestead. They are beautiful people, and God loves them, and we just want to extend love where we're able to. So there it is. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, you guys, I'm going to have a prep video for the month coming up, just to share with you some preps. Also going to go through our pantry inside and pantry outside to show you where we are, because we're getting back on this prep game. We got things to do, and chow. Yes, we do. So anywho, you guys, there it is. Like the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.